here we are, back on the river. Got the pups with us today. About to go catch some bait. We're gonna do some fishing.
Decent one in there. Of course, the puppies, they like to lick the shad.
I'm gonna get in there and get them
a few licks in.
No, ma'am. I'm gonna take that one. Nope, 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 nope.
Almost let a little brim go.
Uh-oh. Let's keep him. No, 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 no. Stop.
Got ready.
Uh-oh. We got it. In the bucket. Well,
the dogs are gonna like this one. Hopefully,
what is it, guys?
Did he bite? Oh, he's on the outside of the net. Oh my God. Hold on, puppy.
Got a turtle. Be careful.
No, watch out,
Well, let's see. Rudy's investigating. What is it? It's a big turtle. Be careful, Rudy. He'll get you. He's trying to escape.
Oh, he's a runner. I wanted to bite me.
We may have to let him go. He's on the run.
Alright, we're gonna let him go.
Okay.
What is it? Alright, we're gonna let him go. I know.
It's okay.
We're gonna let him go. Y'all tell him bye. Where'd he go?
Alright, maybe we'll get some more bait.
Dogs are up there. We'll let their toy go. Alright, so this is what I'm running. I got big shad. I got one hook through his mouth, and then another one going through his belly. Throw it here out of the channel. I know. No, Rudy, you don't want to eat it. Rudy, it's okay. What is it, Rudy?
The dogs are getting worked up.
Oh, he's fighting me.
Good.
Oh, he's a decent boy.
Yeah, good little boy. You can boat flip him. There you go.
Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to come right at you.
Oh, you good? Now the dogs are all excited.
Oh, of course.
Better be careful.
Oh, he's talkative. All right, Rudy, hold on. Let me get him off the hook.
Yeah, lay him on the floor. He had been down there pecking at it for a while. I think he finally found the hook.
Rudy, no ma'am.
Y'all don't make a mess.
No ma'am. Pliers behind you, baby.
Yeah. There you go.
It's in that fatty part of his lip. Now I gotta hold it, Rudy. It's right by your eye, isn't it? I'm sorry.
You need some help?
I might. It's in that fatty part. I don't want to hurt his eye.
If you pick him up, I can work that out.
Okay.
A lot of times it's best. Whenever you're getting these fish out, try to grab them as close to where it's hooked. And then just kind of twist. I'll say that and it's not doing it.
There we go.
It pops right out.
Alright.
Put the hook away from the doggies. Not
Yeah.
bad. We'll put him in a live reel.
Here's it going.
Yeah, good job. We'll throw him in the live reel. Hey, we were reeling in our lines and there was one on. Uh-oh. Look at this.
Uh-oh. Oh, double up.
Alright, let's set the GoPro.
Oh, here's one.
I got him a hook, so I'm gonna set the well,
Sorry. Get out of your way so you can do.
flathead on. Got this big drum. Good lord.
Yeah.
He's big.
He is.
Alright, you wanna weigh it?
Sure.
We'll let him hang out. He's hooked pretty good. We're actually about to move. We started reeling this one in, didn't even know he was on there. As we're pulling him in, this one goes down.
6 pounds. Anyone else?
6-pound drum, whatever, yeah.
Yeah.
And Jorge just threw up in the boat. That's perfect.
Good one.
That's a good one.
I want a picture with him.
Yeah, we'll get a picture.
Okay.
Alright, here.
Alright.
You sit him.
Yep.
Oh, that's not, I don't know what just happened.
It went around the eye.
Did it caught the eye?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to
Don't
put the
worry
camera
about
down. Okay.
Yeah,
You gonna grab him?
Oh, there he is. Good job.
It's a little chaotic, but we're okay.
We were just about to move.
The fish said, wait, don't forget me. That's a good one.
I grabbed the net with a hook.
What?
He spun in the net.
Oh no.
And grabbed the
You need the
hook.
pliers? Here.
I'm not sure. I gotta figure out why. Nah, the pliers. The hook got caught up in the net like twice on both ends.
Ow. I don't think you can see this. We're gonna try and get this out.
Oh, he's on there.
I wanted to get into whatever that was earlier.
Is he running straight to you?
Yeah, he's running straight towards this sock.
Very flatheadish. Watch that sock down there.
I don't know. How do Don't go into the boat.
Easy now. You don't want to keep that rod tip down. He's all over the place, isn't he?
No.
What is he? Is that a channel?
Yeah. Okay. You hear him talking. Come here. Come on.
Man, that channel cat was fighting like he had some blue cat in him. Let me get out of your way.
Okay.
Oh, go get it. Oh, he's on there. You may have to tighten the drag up some.
Where is he? You see that?
Something wrong with it?
I don't know. This looks like it. You see what I mean?
What do you mean?
Look at it. It's wobbling.
Oh, working with a rod and not the reel. Yeah, big one?
Uh-huh. Big for this bowl.
Where's he going, upriver? Oh, this one's going down. I'm not sure. I got this one hooked. I think I got the hook set on him. I'm gonna help her get the fish in. Yeah, the hook set on this one. Oh, he's got a nice bass.
No.
Is he running from you?
Yeah, he's fighting it.
There's another double up. That bass on this one.
Rudy, watch out, baby.
All right, watch out, puppies. And then I'm gonna work on getting this one in.
Oh yeah, he's pretty.
Got this one helping her out.
Just ripped his lip. Look at that. There we
You want
go.
to put him in the live well and we'll weigh him in a little bit?
We'll do that.
Let him hang out with.
Here.
Yeah, we'll weigh him in just a second. You can get this one in.
Okay.
If it's not such a busy day, sometimes I like to take my time with the fish. Just enjoy the fight. And then blue cats, you know, they like to start rolling. I'm just gonna boat flip him in. Oh, watch out, Rudy. Watch out, here's the boat flip. Oh, that was on the double hook. The bad thing about having a canopy is it kind of gets in the way. Rudy.
Rudy, come here. Rudy, go. Go. Where'd he go? Alright.
He's got hooks in that, Rudy.
Rudy, no. Back up, Jorge.
Let me find my pliers. He's shivering. You think he's cold? Rudy. Not bad little blue.
Yeah, he's good.
Move this. Put him in the live well. Alright, we'll grab your bass out.
Okay.
He's not happy. Here's the bass she just caught. Nice little bass.
Yeah.
Let me find a scale. Oh, he's already been caught before. He's got a hole in his mouth.
Yeah.
A little weight on him. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, uh-oh. Alright.
You want me to see that? That's 3 on. Alright, you gotta take it out. A 3-pound bass. Let's see if I can let him go. Like all of a sudden, all the fish just got fired up. Is it hung up?
Nope.
Okay, good.
He's on. Trying to loosen the drag a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, good. Just let the rod do most of the fighting. Oh, we got a mess in here now. Just don't forget that socket's down there.
Yeah.
So that's 3. She was fighting the fish, the bass, and I look over and another rod's going down with a blue cat. And then we hear drag screaming on this one.
Oh my gosh.
So we got rods everywhere. We got her hooked up.
Ooh.
She giving you a good fight?
He's a good one.
Good. No, just don't snatch him, okay?
Yeah. I'm trying to take my time with it because I don't want him to break off.
Yeah.
What pound test was this?
I got 15-pound mono on that one.
Okay.
What's he doing? Hugging the bottom?
Uh-huh. I'm trying to pull without letting the line snap.
Looks like he's in something, right? Unless he's pulling back.
He's pulling against me.
Okay, good. Oh, it looked like we marked a tree. Marked a tree somewhere back here, so I don't know if he got into it or not. It's like a school of fish just came through. Rudy's excited. Just the drag just pulling the whole time.
Yep.
You gotta work him with a rod. I think he's hung up.
You think?
Is he hung up?
He hasn't moved. It might be.
Here, let me feel. Let me swap with you real quick.
Okay.
Grab this.
Alright. I'm gonna get on this side. Maybe he'll come loose.
See if he'll pull it out. What I'm doing, I just opened the spool a little bit and I'm letting him pull. So maybe. Yeah, he's on there. It's just felt like he got into a tree or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he's around something. I can feel it. Yeah, he went around that. Felt like he went around that tree. So maybe he'll swim out of it.
rubbing up against something. Still coming out. He's still pulling. Yeah, he got into something down there. Like it's given little by little.
Uh-huh. Maybe he'll get tired in a second and let go.
Oh.
Oh, he let go? It snapped off?
Yeah.
Dang.
Oh, it broke the hook.
Oh, he was a good one.
Yeah. But it's part of fishing with light tackle.
Alright, so he hooked up on a smaller pole and his rod tip is bent.
He's under the drift sock right now, so I may have to reach out here and pull this.
Do you need me to do anything?
No, you good. Once I
Okay.
get him around here. There we go. Now I have him around that drift sock.
Alright, I'm gonna grab the net. Let's have a fling. This is a good one. You haven't surfaced yet.
Also, what I do, I got my drag set kind of light, but I'll kind of work it with my finger too. But whenever he gives me a good pull, I'll just let up a little bit. It's got to be a flathead. He's just hugging the bottom. Now try to keep my rod tip down. If you hold it straight up, it creates like a bend in the line. So I'm just trying to ease him up. There's only 10-pound test on here. So when he gives me some, try not to let him work his way back down. Oh. I really don't even think he knows he's hooked. Yeah, you gotta be real easy with them. I think the leader's only like 15-pound test. 15 or 20. But yeah, as you can look right here, I'm just kind of holding the drag with my finger as well. Now he knows.
He
he's
knows.
hooked. Whenever he gives me some, I take it back. He's giving me some. I think once he surfaces, he's gonna freak out. Oops, he's taking some back. Yeah, he's a good one. I see bubbles. Come on. Come on, let me see. It makes it more fun on
Oh,
the
here he
small
comes.
rods. Oh,
Wow.
he made a run. See, I try to keep my rod tip in the water that way, or straight down that way. If he makes a hard run, it's not going to pop my line.
There's the bubbles. Over here now.
He'll get tired here in a second.
Here he comes.
Oh, that's a good one on light tackle. Hold on. Alright. I just don't want him to. I mean, he's hooked good. Let me see if I can work. I'll do it. Good job with the net.
Alright. We got him in here. I'm going to hand the camera to him while I hoist him in.
Oh, that was so much fun on light tackle. The dogs are gonna enjoy it.
That's how you land a big one on a little rod.
This thing, it can be done on light tackle. You just gotta take your time with them and don't hoist them up. Now he hit a little piece of shad.
Maybe. Okay.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. We'll get a weight on him. If I'm not quiet, I got it. Alright, puppies. Watch the hook. Pretty sure I just dropped the hook down in the net. Yep. Never fails. Alright, hold on, puppies. Yeah, he hit one of the smallest baits we had out there. Put the rod back in the holder.
Alright. Give me a guess.
Let's say 13, 14. What is it?
13.
13.3, not bad. Pretty good one. 13 pounds on 10-pound test line. Yeah, we'll let him go. That's a good one. A 13 pounder.
You did good.
Thank you.
Do you want to release him?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a picture of him real quick.